So I've got the OnePlus 13 and I'll be showing you how to connect wired headphones to this phone. Now, if you have those wired headphones with the 3.5mm headphone jack, obviously the OnePlus 13 does not have that port anywhere. And so to be able to use your high quality wired headphones with this phone, you might have to use a dongle. Now, there are plenty of dongles you can find on Amazon. I'll link some in the description below. But basically, you're looking for a female 3.5mm to Type-C. Okay, so the Type-C end of this cable goes into the phone, and then the headphones go here. So I'm just going to connect mine. So this is a 3.5mm headphone jack. Just connect it into the dongle, and then the dongle into the phone. And that should get connected. So now if I play any media, it could be a YouTube video, could be music, doesn't really matter. Whatever media you're playing should play through the headphones. So let me find something to play. So I'm playing that song on YouTube and it's playing through the headphones. And everything is working, including the volume controls. And you can see I even have the headphone logo in the volume controls. So that's one way to connect it. So there are plenty of cables you can get. So this is one of them. Now you'll notice this one goes into the Type-C port, and that means you cannot be able to use your headphones while charging your phone, unless of course you're using a wireless charger. But then you can go a step further and get one like this, which has a Type-C connector, and then it has the female 3.5mm headphone port, and also a pass-through Type-C, so you can actually charge while connected to these headphones. So I'm just gonna connect so you can see. So I'll connect this there, and then I'll connect it to the phone, and let's confirm if the audio is working. Yeah, it's working on the headphones. And now at the same time, let's go ahead and charge. So there's the charger, and you can see it's charging, and at the same time I'm listening to music through my wired headphones. So that's another type of cable you can get. I'll link both of these cables in the description, and of course you can buy any cable you want. These ones are from a company called Ugreen. I love them. It works very well, but of course you can use any cable. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips. I'd really appreciate that. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.